Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Alexsa with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of the, well actually the best synthetic wig you have seen in your life by the best person to review it, okay? This is for the ultimate beginners and the experts. This is for everyone, whether you're new to wigs or you are more experienced. This wig is going to be so easy to install. The first thing we're gonna do, babe, is take it out the package. That is going to be the hardest step, just taking it out the package. Before I get into all of the details, I want to just say, make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms at Lexsa Marie, which includes TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Let's try to get to 11K on IG. Okay. And like 100K on TikTok. I'm at 60K, but y'all could take me to 100K respectfully. Look at that. Now, the way I lay this down is for you beginners, okay? This wig, you do not need to add any heat to it. These curls are absolutely beautiful. The hair color is so beautiful. I'm not sure if it is still in store. I will put the link down below and some other sites where you can purchase this wig, but I know one thing for sure is that this is the wig that you need, boo. This is the wig that you need. So right now I'm just cutting off the ear tab so I can size the wig perfectly to my head and get it seamless.
Probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes. That you still have more to go.
So right now I'm just putting on my Wig Grip Gel by Oars. I am like obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed with this. Way over got to be glue, and I know for sure you can get this in Target if you live in a area of color. If you live in an area of color, you should be able to find this in your local Target. And I say that, you know, I say that with experience. But right now, we're just going to put on our handy dandy scarf and make sure that it is seamless and lays and melts into our hairline. But once that's over, you take it right off, and then we're going to get straight to cutting off that excess lace. So some people like to cut off the lace in the beginning before they lay it down. Me personally, I use it like tabs so I can pull the wig. But once it's officially on, you can definitely take it off. Like, I would recommend you take it off so you don't look crazy like how I do right now. And I use these razors that I get from the beauty supply. They are literally $1, probably at the front of the hair store, the beauty supply store. They usually have it right there on the side. You know, I'm even giving you the place. And I just cut off all that excess lace as close to the hairline as possible, okay? As close to the hairline as possible. You don't want to see a whole bunch of lace with this unit.
know how you hit the call.
So I did do some customization. It's literally like nothing though. What I decided to do was literally just put one baby hair, and I'm going to put it where that side part is. And this is entirely up to you. You can fully customize this wig. I did not fully install this wig like how I would normally do it, just because I knew it was just for a review. As you can see, it just lifted a little bit, but I'm gonna push it back down. Okay, I'm gonna see it. Ooh, see, there, I did it. And I'm only going to pluck and lay that one baby hair. But I'm telling you, that's all I kind of needed, because as soon as I laid it down, it kind of brought the whole look together. So if you want to add more baby hairs, you can. But me personally, I did not need that much.
Cause the thing we're searching for is just waiting back home. And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know every time you come around, every time you return.
So overall, I would give this hair a 13 quadrillion out of 10, okay? Do you know that number? 13 quadrillion out of 10. That is the rating I give this hair. Bobbi Boss and Sensational have the best wigs in the planet. I don't care what no one says. Bobbi Boss did it with the color, and not only the color, but the actual style of this wig. This gives me so punk rock. Like, this is giving me very early 2000s. This is just, it's like ginger, but not ginger. It's like the perfect amount of ginger. I absolutely love this hair. So let me know how you like this down below in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because you probably forgot, boo. And I'll see you in the next video.
Nobody is there, and there is without a stem. I should give it.